This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can move and align tables in Google Docs. Here I have a document with a table, and let's suppose I want to move the table higher in the document. What you do is you highlight the entire table, then click anywhere within that table, and then drag the cursor to your desired location. So if I want it to appear here after the word uses, then I will release my mouse or cursor, and now that table is moved. What if you want the table to appear in the middle? You want it to be assigned or aligned to the center. What you do is you click anywhere on the table, then right click, then select Table Options. That will open up this box on the left, and it will appear like this when you open it for the first time. You're going to want to click on Table, and then here you can change the style where in one instance the table is aligned with the text, or where the table is in a position where the text in the document wraps itself around the table. But we're going to focus on keeping it in line, and we want the table to be in the middle. Here where it says alignment is where you can change whether the table appears on the left, the right, or in the center. And if I want it to be in the center, I'm going to click this box, and now that table is in the center. You also have the option of having the text wrap around the table. And in order to do that, you want to click on Wrap Text in the table drop down under Style. And now the text is wrapped around the table, and then you can change it in these wrap options to your liking. So if you want the text to be to the left of the table, you can click this. If you want it to be to the right of the table, you can click that. And if you want text to be all around your table, you can click this setting in the middle. And then notice other options down here that you can play with to make it just to your liking. So this video shows you how to move tables in Google Docs as well as align your tables in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.